Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is all about new items for the month of April at Dollar Tree. Make sure you subscribe and also make sure you thumbs up the video. And now let's get into it because I have a very long list for you guys. The solar lights, they have these flower-shaped solar lights. This isn't super new, but I've noticed that some of the Dollar Trees have kind of delayed putting out the flower-shaped ones. They put out the normal ones. They also had the ones with the butterflies inside of them, but now I'm seeing that they're putting out more of the flower-shaped or flower-themed solar lights. These are a good find at Dollar Tree. I've had their regular solar lights and I really like them. They work very well. I don't know if I'm going to get the flower ones just yet. That's not really my style, but they are available. Of course, I have to mention outdoor activities for the kiddos, and they have bubbles. Every year, Dollar Tree has bubbles. They are bringing them out more and more for this time of year. So they have the regular 3-pack of bubbles, which is great, especially if you have multiple kids. They also have the bubble wand that creates multiple bubbles. They have smaller packs of bubbles. They even have the large bubble wands as well. So I thought that was really cool, really neat, great activities for kids to get out, enjoy themselves, especially in the spring weather when it's nice out. Great to keep them busy. It's so much fun for the family. They also have Sidewalk Chalk. So I think it was a pack of 20, and this is great as well for kids to get outside, get some fresh air, be artistic. Room mist sprays. They had an assortment of these. I think they were about 4 cents. I went ahead and bought one, and I bought the Lavender Dreams, and I want to spray this in the bedroom like in the evening time, just to kind of relax, set the mood in the room to kind of relax, get ready for bed, get ready to sleep. It has a nice lavender scent to it. So they had a few other scents there as well. They had these gingham print mason jars. Well, at least the lids are gingham print and the jars themselves match the lids. So they had blue, they had red, and they had white. I really like the white ones with the white and black lid. I think that's really pretty. And they came with their own straws. So these are great. They're reusable. They kind of remind me a little bit of 4th of July. So they may be a carryover from 4th of July. I don't know. Y'all know how sometimes Dollar Tree be doing that. If they didn't sell so well, they bring them out the next year. They be doing that. They be doing that. So these could be a carryover from then. I'm not 100% sure, you guys. In the plus section, they had this large sports bottle, and it's one of the sports bottles that can kind of help you to drink more water throughout the day. So they have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock reminders for you to drink more water, and they have positive affirmations on them to help you get along and do your thing and get your hydration on. Well, Dollar Tree Plus section had them for $5. About a day or two later, I went to Hobby Lobby and they had the same ones, slightly different font used and different affirmations used, but the same size, same type of bottle, and it was $24.99. Let me check. Yeah, $24.99 at Hobby Lobby. Honey, Hobby Lobby is really proud of themselves because I was like, $24.99? I cannot believe that they have this big of a markup compared to Dollar Tree where you can get it for $5. So if you're looking for one of these bottles or you're trying to drink more, get more hydration going into the spring, into the summer months, then go to Dollar Tree for these bottles. They have new scents in their diffusers. They have peach, ocean breeze, coconut, fresh cut flowers, and they also have sage and citrus. I thought these new diffusers were great and a great way to freshen your home for the spring season. The brand Home Bright has electronic dusters, and these are the smaller can dusters. I didn't buy one because I already have a duster for my electronics, but these are great, especially when especially if you're, have a habit of eating while you're on your laptop. These are great for cleaning those spots out, but you don't have to use them just for your electronics. You can also use them for fans, like just your regular tabletop fans and stuff like that. That's what I use them for a lot, just to get in there and get that dust and the yuckiness and nastiness off of those items. So this is great for that. In the pet section, Nature's Best has a new flea and tick shampoo and spray. I haven't purchased this item just yet because we already have a flea and tick shampoo, but if I run out anytime soon, I know where to get some more. LA's Awesome has a grill and oven cleaner. This is a new product for them. And this is great for this time of year because people are pulling out the grills. So if you've tried this, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. You don't have to use it for your grill. Like I said, it's also an oven cleaner. So that's pretty awesome that you get 2 for 1. They also have a new formula for their rust, lime, and scale buildup. I guess is what it's called. Cleaner, all-purpose cleaner. They say it's a new formula. I don't know how well it works. If you've used it, let me know in the comments. A brand called Food Life Balance has these premium chicken salads. They have just the regular chicken salad, and they also have the buffalo chicken salad. So these are great for if you want to make some type of a chicken salad or maybe a chicken salad sandwich. This is great for stuff like that. And the brand Be Pure has some cute new items, you guys. I could not believe this, but they have a body oil, they have a lip gloss, they had eyebrow gel. They also had a roll-on body fragrance, in strawberry. I thought, oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love the packaging. They also had I think it was a lip gloss or maybe just a chapstick. I think it was a gloss, but it was in the shape of a popsicle, and I thought they were so cute. The brand Be Pure has been at Dollar Tree for a while, but like I said, they have some new items that are super, super cute. So stop by and check those out. Honey, they have so many new products from Bolero. They have whipped body butter. They have shower gel. They have regular lotions. They have hand soaps, and they have just such pretty packaging and all new scents. Mandarin honeysuckle, watermelon and raspberry, pink pineapple and mango, just to name a few when it comes to their new scents. They just have so much, you guys, and I was very impressed. I almost got the whipped body butter. I'm thinking I should probably go back and get it and try it because I was so impressed seeing all the products that they have, and that is from the brand Bolero. So I know that was such a long haul, you guys. Well, not necessarily a haul, but just telling you what's new on the shelves at Dollar Tree for the month of April. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love presenting these products to you guys and letting you guys know what the scoop is at Dollar Tree. Make sure you comment, thumbs up the video. When you thumbs it up, it allows more people to see the video. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.